How to use TikTok Creator Marketplace in 2026. Well, the TikTok Creator Marketplace (TTCM) is TikTok's official platform for connecting brands with creators. To join as a creator, you need at least 10,000 plus followers, so make sure you reach the eligibility. You need to have at least 10,000 followers, 100,000 plus video likes in the last 28 days, and be at least 18 years old. Now, once you have checked your eligibility, you'll have to fill out the profile. So you can head over to your web browser and search in TikTok Creator Marketplace. Now, it's only available for certain reasons, so make sure it's available in your place in order to be able to sign up. So TikTok Creator Marketplace, you can head into it, creatormarketplace.tiktok.com, and proceed to head over and sign up. Then you can access the tools. You can use the TikTok One dashboard to access the marketplace, use features, find creators, and create a brief as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.